Alright, you guys, we're going to put Duke's mayonnaise to the test. We are making a hood dip for our wings, everybody, okay, with all these wonderful ingredients over here. But what we're going to do is we had 3/4 of a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. We added in a teaspoon of pesto, everybody. Like pesto, it has the garlic and the herb in there and everything to give that taste, okay? A little pizzazz, olive oil and all that. We're going to add in some hot sauce, everybody. About a good 3 to 4 tablespoons of hot sauce, okay? We want a little bit of a kick to it, okay? Now, this is how we do it. It's what you put into your dips that makes everything, okay? Now, we added in our no salt seasoning because we don't want it salty, okay? Mama Soul Kitchen's about to release the no salt seasoning soon on our website. So, but anyway, you can just add some herbs to it, like some nice garlic or some nice, nice onions powder and stuff like that if you want to do that. But I'm not going to tell you our secrets. But anyway, we're adding in some garlic powder now with this as well. Love that taste of garlic powder and onion powder as well. Then we added on some more onion powder right there. Now, it's about the flavors throughout the dip. Now, we're going to go ahead and stir this up. And I needed something else to add a kick to this as well, okay? Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to wipe off the spoon here, taste a little bit. And it was okay. Like I said, we needed something else with a little bit of pow to it, okay? So we added some more hot sauce, everybody. Some more hot sauce, about another teaspoon of hot sauce. Now we're going to add in some honey barbecue sauce. Now this is just to kind of balance off the flavors of the mayonnaise and the hot sauce and the seasonings that we had. But this is going to add a little sweet to it. Now it's not going to taste barbecue-ish because of everything else that we added in there, but it's a nice agent to make it kind of balance off with the pop of flavor throughout this whole dip here. Okay, so we're going to mix this up very well. Now look at that. I like the color. The consistency is very nice. I give Dukes that. Okay, Dukes did a very good job with this mayonnaise. Okay, I'm for it. I'm just glad we was able to find it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add in, see, we see a thumbs up. Okay, granddaughter like that. All right, so we added in some blue cheese. Now, we added our little dipping sauce into a nice little dish here, as you see. And we added in some blue cheese, okay? We're going to add the blue cheese. Now, grandson-in-law is not really a fan of blue cheese, so that's why we say, we're going to add some blue cheese into this dip cup, and he don't have to have the blue cheese. But we like our blue cheese, and it tastes so good, especially if you have some buffalo wings and stuff like that. This sauce is going to pop with it, okay? Now, this is how it turned out, and this is beautiful. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put it on, all your chicken onto a nice plate. Now, this is about presentation, okay, for the Super Bowl, everybody. It's coming up, everybody. Now, look at this plate of wings right here. Now, if you go back and look at our old school fried chicken wings, this is it right here on a plate, and the dip is in the middle. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? I'm telling you, this is going to be flavor that's going to pop throughout your mouth and be so delicious and everything else. Hey, grandmother. Now, you know what? Now, we're going to have this little Super Bowl party, so we want to make sure this is going to taste good. Well, you just came in on the end of this because this is going to make you slap somebody in the mouth right here. Here, go ahead and try that right there. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that dip is good. Can you believe that's some Duke's mayonnaise? Wow, I can't believe that tastes so good. Woohoo, I like this. All right, now, I'm for that, and I know hubby's going to like it too. I know he is. I know he will. Anyway, if you guys want to see some more recipes, follow us on our YouTube channel, and we also have our cookbooks available on Amazon.com.